Welcome to conceptwing. Today, I want to share some valuable tips and insights that I've gathered over my years of experience in the world of logo design. Tip number 1, keep it simple. A logo should be easily recognizable and memorable at a glance. Avoid cluttering it with unnecessary elements. Remember, less is more. Tip number 2, research is key. Before diving into the design process, thoroughly understand the brand, its target audience, and its industry. Research helps you create a logo that resonates with the brand's values and appeals to the intended audience. Tip number 3, choose colors wisely. Colors have a profound impact on emotions and perceptions. Understand the psychology of colors and select a palette that aligns with the brand's personality and objectives.